Good day, everyone. Now, in this video, we'll be looking at the set theoretic difference or relative complement. Now, the difference of S and T, right? The difference of S and T is denoted by S/T, right? So this is the difference of S and T. Please take note of the order. The difference of S and T, we write the S first, followed by the T, right? Now, the difference of S and T refers to the part of a set, right, which only belongs to the set X. So having this Venn diagram, we can denote this expression by shading this part of our Venn diagram, right? So this is the part which represents the set difference between S and T. Now, if the members of S, right, are 2, 4, 5, and 6, and the members of T are 1, 3, and 5, of course, the S intersection T will be 5, right? The set difference of S and T, right? Now take note of this carefully. Will only be the members 2, 4, and 6, right? This is the set difference of S and T. And take note of this. 5 has not been included in the set difference because 5 is also a member of T, right? So this is the set theoretic difference or the relative complement of a set. This is Teach Me Maths, and please click that subscribe button. See you soon. Bye.